Once there lived a frog. He lived in a well with his 4 toads. The frog was very large. He used to think he was the largest animal of all. One day, the 4 toads were playing around on the edge of the well. They saw an elephant walking through nearby in the jungle. They had never seen an animal as large as this. So, they got really scared and jumped back into the well. They went to their dad and said, "Today, we saw a huge black animal that was as big as a mountain. It had a very long nose. It had 4 feet that were as thick as tree trunks. It had a stomach like a large water tank." After hearing of this, the frog said, "No way! There are no animals bigger than me." The 4 toads said, "We're not kidding. We really saw a huge animal with a very large stomach." The frog took a breath and pumped up its stomach and said, "Was its stomach as big as this?" The toads said, "No, Daddy. It was bigger than that." The frog pumped up its stomach even larger and said, "How about now? Was it this big?" The toad said, "No, Daddy. It was even bigger than that." The frog took a big breath and pumped up its stomach even bigger. The toad said, "No, Dad. The animal had a stomach a lot larger than that." The frog said, "Watch this. Now you'll see how large I can get." And then he took a deep, long breath. By now, the frog had pumped up its stomach so much that with a big pop, his stomach blew up and he died. Poor frog.